All right, without further ado, we still have one more session that we are waiting for. That is Introduction to Alibaba Cloud Academy and Local Tech Support. For this, I would like to invite Mr. Egi Tanuwijaya as the head of FSI Solution Alibaba Cloud Indonesia, and also Ms. Darlene Valentine as the marketing manager Alibaba Cloud Indonesia to give the introduction to Alibaba Cloud Academy and Local Tech Support. Please welcome.
Okay. Hey everyone, good afternoon. Anyway, I want to say thanks for Toko Crypto, Speedworks, and then Tech in Asia, East Ventures, and Skystar Capital. The others is I think I missed one. Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah, Advanced AI. Hey, thanks Ronald. Sorry. Okay, and also I want to say congratulations to Port of Valia. I see the CEO in here. They just launched the application. Okay, and if for the offline event, we see the booth there. That's our partner BPT and Indonet. If you want to asking related the Alibaba Cloud Technologies, also they can help us. Okay, okay. Okay, before we start related the Alibaba Cloud, this is the journey of Alibaba Cloud. In 2000, on 1999, okay, Alibaba Group is founded by Jack Ma, and then on 2009, Alibaba Cloud itself is it's become the infrastructure, the core infrastructure of Alibaba Group itself. Okay, and then also not just only for Alibaba Cloud, there is also the other business unit like the Alipay, and then Alimama, and then Cainiao. There is a Alibaba Group business unit. So for Alipay itself, like we know, it's a payment. Okay, and then they transform it become the Ant Financial. And then on 2017, we get trust from the Olympic, and become the Olympic partners. And until now, on 2019, we're focusing on Elite Cloud intelligence like big data and IoT. Okay, so for supporting the Festival 11/11, Alibaba Cloud is become the core of their infrastructure. Okay, it's not just only the focusing on infrastructure only, but also mainly on big data. Meaning that we need to create the analyze, and then we support our business unit, and then we become the core. Okay, what is the important for the single 11 day? Because in every year we create a target. So, from the beginning on 2009, and then until now, the achievement of target we set it. Yeah. So the transaction per second is more higher rather than the previous year. That's become our core for the 11 and 11 technologies. This is what like TV said previously. Okay, in Indonesia itself, we already settled 3 data center, and also we have the scrubbing center. It's important for the customer or the potential customer who want to put their data or their application on Alibaba Cloud, because we need to comply with the regulation, right? So that's why Alibaba Cloud understand related the customer requirements and needs. So we provide the 3 data center in here. Wow, for this one I will take 1 hour. Okay, okay. This is the portfolio of Alibaba Cloud product. Okay, there is no infrared here. Okay, for the below part, the elastic compute, innovation, compute, storage, network, and private cloud, we call it like the infrastructure as service. As we know, we transform it in the first year. We know as IT, we know. We need to purchase the on-premise, right? Now with the cloud, it changes. And then there is some symptoms on the cloud. There is IaaS, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and also software as a service here. So in the middle row, like database and big data AI, we can call it like the platform as a service, meaning that you can create the operating system, and then the infrastructure, it will be managed by Alibaba Cloud. And for the software as a service itself, like email or domains, you just can just configure it, and then you can directly to use the Alibaba Mail or domain. Okay. Okay. For Indonesia, what Alibaba Cloud already do in Indonesia? We already settled from 2016. Okay, it's already 6 years in Indonesia, and then we have 1,000 of customers. We have 100 of plus partners, and then we already do 100,000 trainings here, and we already certified so many people. For the ecosystem itself, because we already localized from 2016, right? So meaning that we grow the economic via our partners like Indonet, Blue Power Technologies, VV Cloud, Indosat, and Telkom Indonesia. Meaning that Alibaba Cloud in Indonesia, we really care with the local ecosystem and the local partner supports. This is our service portfolio. There's a consulting service, meaning that maybe like I am, right? Me become a solution architect, then you can consult related the architect. Do you want to build on Alibaba Cloud infrastructure? And then we also have managed service after sales support, either from enterprise support or from our partner, like Indonet, BPT, or the other partners. And then system integration service, we have it also, meaning that we work together with some of ISV, or maybe some of the startup. We know the startup now, some of startup are really focusing on the big data and AI, like advanced AI. Okay, they focusing on that, and then they help the customer to build this solution on top of Alibaba Cloud. And for the training service itself, we do it regularly, usually on monthly. If you join the Alibaba Cloud community on DingTalk, okay, we have DingTalk. You can install DingTalk, and then you can join the community, and you will get the news for training support for the training, okay, monthly. And yes, we have the marketing support service, like some of our startup and enterprise company who already signed the LOA. We do the marketing, joint marketing together with the customer. Okay, so meaning that for the new startup, maybe can work together with us also, and then trying to do a branding, your brand with Alibaba Cloud brand also. This is the training, community, and certification. Online learning, you can go to the edu.alibabacloud.com. Maybe some of you don't know about the Alibaba Cloud, how to use it, okay? Okay, maybe some of you don't know how to use edu.alibabacloud.com. Then you can go to edu.alibabacloud.com, and then you can go to coursera.org. On that site, you can see so many learning modules, and then you can learning by yourself here. And for the hands-on lab, we have, the name is labex.io. You can go there. Maybe after this, we have a session for technical person. Yeah, we have a booth for doing the Labex, and then you can see how Labex will work with you. Okay, and then for community, like I said previously, we have DingTalk, Alibaba Cloud Indonesia community. Currently, we already have 2,000 plus members, and also we also provide the certification like ACA, ACP, then ACE to do a standardization for your team. And then, I mean, if your team already have a standard, meaning that they can cover the infrastructure technology or the technology above of infrastructure like big data maybe or IoT and the others. This is the Indonesia customers, okay, portfolio of our Indonesia customers. From financial service, we have some of name like Astra Financial, and then we have Dana, Sprint Asia, and then for the automotive and logistic, we have Speedwalk, right? Speedwalk, Toko Crypto, and then Advanced AI become our big data and AI partner. And for government itself, we have some of them, like Garuda Indonesia and the others. This is the case study for the startup Kopi Kenangan. Okay, they already use our solution, meaning that they put their application on top of Alibaba Cloud because they already have so many stores, and then we serve them a lot to do scaling and agility for their application. And this is for industry. Okay, this is a legal B2B peer-to-peer lending platform. Okay, they use mostly for the analytic DB. Okay, and then for our application, not our application, sorry. They use the application on top of Alibaba Cloud Kubernetes and container service. Okay, I think my session already finished. I will distribute this mic to Darlene Valentin.
Thank you, Egy, for the very insightful session. Good evening, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself as the Indonesian saying, tak kenal maka tak sayang. Jadi, let me introduce myself. My name is Darlene, and I am the marketing manager from Alibaba Cloud Indonesia. So before I start my session, I would like to express my gratitude towards our speakers today from our VCs, Pak Juvenko from Skystar Capital, and then also Stacy from East Ventures. Not forgetting our startup speakers for today. We have Advanced AI, Mr. Ronald, and also Pak Wendy from Toko Crypto and Pak Handoko from Speedwork. And not forgetting our moderator for our panel discussion, Pak Aditya from Tech and Asia. So before my session, you heard about the startup program presented by Tiffy, and also the Alibaba Cloud introduction about our company, how we work, and our history from Egy. So allow me to basically introduce a little bit about Alibaba Cloud Academy and what you are able to get in this Alibaba Cloud Academy. So before I start my session, I would like to know, maybe if there's any of you who are familiar or maybe heard about Alibaba Cloud Academy, or maybe you even get some of our certifications, maybe you can raise your hand, or maybe in the Zoom you can leave your most favorite emojis in the offline audience. Okay, I think there's 1, 2. Okay, so this is going to be a great moment for me to introduce you how Alibaba Cloud Academy can help all of you. So, while waiting for the presentation, unlocked the full power of cloud. That is our core belief in terms of Alibaba Cloud Academy. So in this unlock the full power of cloud, we believe in these 4 pillars, which is our main objectives, which is supporting from customer, partner, institution, as well as community. As you guys can see, there are different things in different in each pillar. So first of all, for example, like customer, we have like upscaling in ID governance and also data governance. And then in partner, we want to have like exclusive service partner training resources with business accreditation, practice and competence build-up. For institution, we want to contribute to local government and education sector digital talent development. And also for our community, we want to have knowledge sharing and also annual career. Learn, experiment, and accelerate. These are very important in terms of learning. So in this Alibaba Cloud Academy, we have different types of learning, as you guys can see in the slides. We have online learning, online labs, classroom training, and also certifications. So in the online learning, we have over than 300 e-courses, 11 learning paths, 8 certification exam preparation training. And in the online labs, we have 200 online labs, 13 practice challenge, and also personal account logon. For the classroom training, we have instructor-led training as well as boot camps deep dive. And lastly, we have certifications with competence assessment, 7 roles, 16 ACA, ACP, and ACE, 6 specialty, and online proctor. So maybe you are all wondering, what are the certifications and what are the trainings that we provide? So these are the trainings that Alibaba Cloud Academy has. So as you guys can see, we have 3 different main categories. So the first one is going to be role-based certification. And then the second one is specialty certification. And then the third one is Apsara Clouder certifications. So let's start with the most broad one, which is the role-based certification. So we have 3 levels from associate, professional, and expert. So in this startup program, you can get an associate because we want to focus on different industries and then people from different backgrounds to be able to know more about cloud, which is going back to our main goal, which is unlock the full power of cloud. So from associate, you can see we have cloud infrastructure architecture, security engineer, system operator, developer, big data architect, cloud native architect, as well as database engineer. After the associate, you can basically get your level up by joining like our professionals and expert as well. Not only that, even though we have a lot of topics in the associate level, we also offer an Apsara Clouder certifications. So as Tiffy mentioned, we will have different types of activities in our startup program. And in these activities, we will include this Clouder certification. The training, it's not going to be a training, but it's going to be a part of our upcoming webinars and also our tech workshop. So after you join some of our webinars and some tech workshop, you can definitely join our Apsara Clouder certifications. And then you can basically do the quizzes that are actually much simpler compared to ACA. And then you directly get your certifications, which you can show it in your socials as well. With this, I don't want to take much of your time because I know this is going to be a really good opportunity for you to network and also ask us questions. So we have, as Aggie mentioned, we have a partner booth at the back with Indonet and Blue Power Technology. And then also we have booth also on the outside. And let me close my session real quick. But before I close my session, I would like to share this. It's hopefully inspiring because it sure is inspiring for me. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world by Nelson Mandela. So, what are you waiting for? Expand your knowledge, unlock the full power of cloud, and join our Go Startup program with Alibaba Cloud. Now let's go digital with Alibaba Cloud. Good evening. Thank you very much.